Modeling career in India. A step-by-step guide. Modeling career in India is a lucrative and glamorous option available for youth. With the growth in consumerism and a vast expansion of the fashion industry in India, modeling has come up as an exciting and attractive profession. Growing scope of modeling. A career in modeling requires poise and confidence with which you can showcase the works of art by an artist or advertise a company's product. You can also introduce a fashion designer's clothing by walking the ramp as a runway model. With an attractive appearance, there is scope to get hired by companies for their advertisements and marketing campaigns. Is modeling a good career in India? With beauty, talent, skill, and passion, modeling can be a tremendous career choice. The glittering modeling industry welcomes with open arms young aspiring models who are ready to give their best and try their luck here. Many people wonder, is modeling a good career in India? There are reasons to pursue this as a serious career option. Firstly, you get paid well. You can earn a staggering amount of money as a model and can afford a pretty luxurious life. You can enjoy getting attention and get that celebrity feel by appearing on television and print media. Get ready to get noticed? The glamour and glitterati of modeling career is obviously a reason enough to pursue it. You get tremendous opportunities to travel and meet new people. Getting to work with big names in the industry is always a dream you can work hard for. Male modeling. How to start modeling career. Male modeling has a vast scope in India. Many male models have made it big in the modeling fashion world and have become idols of male fitness and runway supermodels. If you are still stuck on how to start a modeling career, here are some quick tips to steer you towards modeling fashion industry. Identify your strengths. You must discover the type of model job your body is suited to. Photo model, runway model, commercial model. There are numerous options to choose from. Narrow down your modeling career choice and then approach the right agencies suitable for you. Learn modeling poses. A model job does not only require good looks and great body. You need to practice your angles and poses as a beginner to the modeling career. It is always advisable to enroll yourself to a good modeling institute like GNG Modeling/Acting Institute. Glitz and Glamour is the best modeling institute in Delhi/Noida, which grooms raw aspiring model female and male to polished natural models. Recommended models height. Some model job requirements come with minimum specified model's height. Runway model male should be around 5'10" and model female should be around 5'7". Photo model for print ads should be minimum 5'3", female, and 5'7", male. A good portfolio is must. High-caliber male modeling portfolio is a must to kickstart your career in modeling. Good modeling institutes guide you on how to start modeling career by helping you build a strong portfolio. Professional portfolio from a good fashion photographer portrays you in your best light. Use this to approach the right modeling agencies for model job. Keep posted on social media sites. Create accounts on Instagram and Facebook and keep sending posts of photo model in diverse looks and attires. Tag different modeling agencies in your posts to get noticed by viewers. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more informative